Hey guys, instead of taking hours and hours to try to figure out what happened with my footage, I am going to end this video with showing you the final finished piece before I put on the flood coat. So, what I did was, where I last left off, I should say, is these circles did not have those rhinestones around them. So I basically put some rhinestones down around the circles by hand. No glue, anything like that, just on top of the cured resin, and I dripped some clear resin in the circle and let it spread out underneath the rhinestones, which then held them in place. I drew on some lines, and that was basically it. I just want to be finished with this video so that I can move on to the next. Bonnie says hi. So yeah, I want to just be done with this video. It was a nightmare. I lost sections in the middle, and the next one is filmed properly, so we won't have that problem ever again, hopefully. So I want to wish you all a good night. If you have any questions at all on how I created any type of effect in this geode, just leave me a comment below and I will answer you guys as soon as I can. Have a great night and happy pouring.